Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Spell for me. So today we are going to do another video in our Let's Niche Down series. And today our keyword is fox. Now before we get into this video, I am under the weather. So I don't want to hear no rude comments about nothing, okay? I'm sick and I'm showing up to record this video. Let's get into the video. As you guys know, I like to use Amazon so we can go ahead and niche down. I am glad that you are here. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I release a new video. So I'm going to go over to our handy dandy Amazon browser. I am signed out of my account, so it does not have an effect on what I select or what I type in. The keyword is fox. Off the brain, I'm thinking fox birthday, because birthday is a super huge niche. And then also maybe like back to school. When we type in fox, you know, you see military river socks, you see jerseys, babies, women clothing, you see enamel pins. There's already some things. Oh, fox with glasses. I kind of like that. So let's see the fox with glasses shirt. And then let's see how many products is in that category. 179 fox with glasses shirt. And that is not only could be your title, but that is a very prominent keyword to have you found on these websites. 179. That's in all. Let's go ahead and go down to clothing and let's search again. 249. And again, we always know that there's not always every item in here is a fox with glasses, okay? So that sometimes happen. Like this is not a fox with glasses. Those are just, you know, different things. So you can still create an actual design with a fox with glasses, because as you see, some of these just have words on there. Some of these, the fox don't have glasses at all. You know what? I'm not even going to go any further. Basically, Amazon just told us what to find, what to look for. And again, I always tell you guys, all of my extensions here, if you've been watching a Let's Niche Down series, you should have these extensions in your Chrome extensions. It's keywords everywhere, AMZ Suggestion Expander, DS Amazon Quick View, and Amazon Keyword Tool. I also use Productor as well. All of these are here for you. What you see in Productor is what's showing up here. It actually gives you some long tail keywords like fox lovers, fox stores. It gives you some suggested keywords from Amazon like fox farm, things like that, fox racing. And then here's the Amazon search terms here. So it really gives you great information about like product pricing, lowest to the highest, sales rank, reviews, and things like that, how many has sold. And if you go ahead and create something that will stand out apart from the designs that are already here, you can definitely make some money in this niche. If you guys want to continue with the fox with glasses niche, you can go, like I said, and do birthday shirts with the fox with glasses. You can do back to school shirts with fox with glasses as well. But because Amazon basically gave this one to us and it actually ended up being a hit, you can actually use this to create a few items and make this niche a popular niche. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video in the Let's Niche Down series with our keyword fox. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.